All right, welcome back. I hope you're having an awesome time so far. Our next speaker is Tero Lappalainen. He's the founder at Bankify. Please join me in welcoming Tero to our virtual stage.
Thank you very much. And we at Bankify want to challenge the status quo in financial well-being as we know it today. And we believe in courage to change. And how we do it is by making our services highly user-centric and simple to use with the modern technology. And we have currently launched our platform, which brings together everything that is required to build sustainable finances for the end customers. My name is Tero. I'm the founder of Bankify. We are a Finnish fintech company. Our team consists of banking industry knowledge and technology talents. Even though we are originally founded in Finland, we are already growing and working with international clients. We have also launched our products as part of global marketplace like Finastra here in US. So what is the actual problem that we are solving? How we see it is FSPs like retail banks, wealth management companies, insurance companies, they are unable to take the full advantage of the cross-selling opportunities and utilize the end customer data in order to provide personalized offering and service. And what used to be nice to have, but now is must have, is the sustainability. And not only that you can provide this kind of holistic view on the sustainability, but the actual customer value comes from providing concrete, actionable steps that are also beneficial for the individuals in terms of health and savings, while contributing to a more sustainable future. So actually, the health and savings, these elements are driving the sustainability forward. So what is our strategy for and the solution? So we bring this SaaS-based platform that provides the ready-made building blocks that can be easily integrated into any service and make sustainable digital services, which can then increase the customer revenues. And how the solution actually works. So we have developed our own building blocks, the services that we combine into the open banking to make the transactional data and payments part of the service, as well as combining those with this kind of open API economies. And we can package the services into the different use cases, which helps customer to move into more sustainable behavior, and at the same time making smart financial decisions, no matter if it's changing to the electric vehicle or making more investments or making daily actions that more sustainable. So this is the different services and how we use it to build these kind of different use cases. So we have the basic infrastructure layer, making our platform reliable, scalable, and the security in place. So we use most of all the AWS architecture. And on top of that, we have built our own service APIs, which are then integrated with the payment initiation, account information, and data enrichment, and build that into the concrete use case where I'm gonna dig into deeper with the smart savings and the financial recommendations as our own product. But there are other like use cases where we see a lot of potential as well, how the services can be used into the, no matter if it's investments, leasing, or insurance products. But I will now like demo more the smart savings service. So in Bankify platform, to our webpage, you can find all our different services, and these are made really developer friendly, so that it includes all the documentations and examples how to start using the services, and all the use cases as well, which are built using the different services. And I will go more deeper into the smart savings, and especially how it can help with the retail banking sector. So first of all, there are several like benefits. That was the cross-selling. So basically the retail banking client, we can like spot clients which are less risky and more high potential to go into the other products as well, like retail banking client moving into like more investing, or more into the insurances, or more into the other savings products. It increased the loyalty through the like sustainability and knowing more about the customer and making it more personalized. And on top of that, customers can make a smart financial decisions, and at the moment support the sustainability. And how we have built that use case is with 4 of our different API layers. First of all is the financial goals that gives more data points regarding the client. The second is the transaction rules that automate the saving process for the end customer. And the third is daily actions, which gives the gamified layer in order to make the sustainable actions towards that financial goal. And then is the financial recommendation, which brings the aggregation service that we bring together all the different financial products, and then can spot the less risky and higher potential clients where banks can offer better offers towards them and make it more personalized. But I will dig more into that with the real demo. So now let's see how the end customer process look like. First of all, I will create a goal, and this can be tied also into the more automated data points that we can collect regarding the end customer. But I will now show the basic process with the creating a goal towards what the end customer want to achieve. Okay, I want to buy a new car, and I want to make it like smooth. I will look a little bit more personalized picture for my goal when I want to achieve and complete. On top of that, I want to automate the process buying that car. So I have several options where I can choose like periodic ones, more transactional based savings, or it can be related to the open economy APIs based on savings, basically using some health applications. But I will use a basic set and forget rule. I choose from which account, how much, what is the rule name, how often, when it happens, and I activate the rule. On top of that, I want to create some sustainable actions in order to give the extra layer for my savings. It can be related to mobility, it can be related to food, or any like other topics. And this is, of course, there comes more and more these when developing further. So I choose eating more vegan food, and what is the action and amount based on each action, and so I have created now the goal, automate the process, made some gamified actions on it. And what's the interesting part, that based on the end user transaction data, on top of that, we have extra layers of extra information on the client side and the needs and how they are behaving as a saving towards a specific target. We can offer cross-selling products. So in this case, we can offer insurances, we can offer loans, making faster to happen that saving when we have already seen that it's much more reliable client that we originally thought, and see the saving process happening. We can offer more sustainable options when picking a car, and offer also like more greener loans towards that car, or then offer a credit card, like more actions towards that car. So this was the demo. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Tero. Thank you for sharing with us. I know this virtual audience is giving you a huge virtual round of applause. Thank you. All right, for the audience, it's time for you to make your way to your next session. Along the way, make sure you accept your connection request and take some time to check out our amazing exhibits. Thanks so much, and we'll see you around.